Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety non-negotiable. Turn the breaker off and verify dead with a voltage tester. Once done, lay out the track where you want light coverage and mark studs or anchors. Now mount the feed block and roughen wiring. Feed cable through ceiling to the box, strip 1/2 of insulation, and secure conductors to the feed terminal. Make sure to keep neutrals and grounds tidy. This prevents confusion when you attach the track. You now mount the track itself, fastening it firmly to anchors or studs so it won't sag under fixtures. Once mounted, connect the house wires to the track feed. Live to live, neutral to neutral, ground to ground, tighten terminals until snug so there's no arcing. Then join multiple track sections. Align bus contacts carefully, slide joiners in, and lock screws. If you have power feeds mid-run, repeat connection steps and test continuity before installing heads. You finish by fitting each track head. Insert the adapter, push into the track, then twist until it locks. Test the rotation and tilt so every beam hits the target. Once all heads are set, restore power and switch lights on, checking for flicker or dead sections, make small aim adjustments and set dimmer levels for the mood you want. If a fixture flickers or doesn't power, first turn off power, then red-item contacts, clean the bus, and if needed, replace the LED driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.